Earthquakes, earthquakes, a natural disaster. If you get caught in one, you might need a plaster.
Plates collide, lots of things die. They're so bad they drive me mad. Yo, cause
Earthquakes, earthquakes, a natural disaster. If you get caught in one, you might need a plaster. Run under tables, rush under doorways. You ain't safe when you're in a hallway. Yo, cause earthquakes, earthquakes, a natural disaster. If you get caught in one, you might need a plaster.
Don't walk on the mall cause the walls will fall. Don't call Paul cause he's dead.
Yo, cause earthquakes, earthquakes, a natural disaster. If you get caught in one, you might need a plaster. Just driving around when you feel the ground rumbling and tumbling around and around. Yo, cause word. Bye, Isla,
Emma and Angelina.
Thanks for watching.